Welcome to everyone. Today we are going to explore a very interesting topic, living and non living things. Everything around us can be grouped into these two categories. By the end of this presentation, you will be able to look at anything, an animal, a plant, a toy, or even a cloud, and confidently tell whether it is living or not. Let's begin our discovery. What things do you see? When we look around our environment, we see many objects. Some things are live, like animals, plants, humans, and insects. Others, such as cars, bottles, rocks, and tables, are non living. To make this fun, think about your room at home, your pet living, your toys non living, a plant on the window living. It is important to observe carefully because some things look like they might be alive but actually are not. What are the living things? Growth, movement, breathing. Living things have certain characteristics that show they are alive. Growth. All living things grow. A tiny baby becomes an adult. A small seeds become a plant. Even animals grow bigger and stronger over time. Movements. Living things can move by themselves. Animals walk, run, swim, or fly. Plants don't move from one place to another, but they do move by bending towards sunlight or opening and closing their flowers. Third is breathing. Everything living things need to breathe. Humans and animals breathe oxygen. Plants breathe in carbon dioxide. Breathing helps them stay alive by giving them energy. Number 4. Reproduction. Living things can create more their own kind. Animals have babies, birds lay eggs, plants make seeds. This keeps their species alive. Response. The response to environment. Living things react to change around them. If you search, if you touch something hot, you move your hand away. Plants turn towards the sun because they need light. Animals run away from danger. Need food or water. Everything living things need energy. Human eats food and drink water. Animals eat plants or other animals. Plants make their own food using sunlight, water, and air. Without food or water, living things cannot survive. Differences between non living things and living things. To clearly separate living and non living things, remember these four big differences. Growth. Living things grow and change. Non living things stay the same unless someone changes them. Breathing. Living things breathe but non living not breathe. Food. Living things need food and water. Movement. Living things move on their own, but non living things move only when someone pushes or pulls them. These differences help us identify what is alive and what is not. There are some questions. Think about this fish. Does it move? Does it breathe? Does it eat? Does it grow? Yes, a fish is definitely a living thing. You can even see it swimming and breathing at the surface of the water. Fish also lay eggs to reproduce. Is a bicycle living or non living? Now look at the bicycle. Even though it has wheels and can move, it can not move by itself. Someone must push it or ride it. It does not grow, it doesn't need food, it doesn't breathe. So, this is a clear example of a non living thing. Is this cloud living or non living? A cloud looks like it moves, but it doesn't move on its own. The wind pushes it. Clouds do not breathe, grow, or need food. So, clouds are non living things, even though they change shape and move across the sky. Is a cactus living or non living? A cactus is a plant, and all plants are living things. They grow more seeds, they need sunlight, water, and air, and they can reproduce. Cacti grow slowly and survive in dry places by storing water inside their stem. Living things defined. So let's summarize everything about the living things. Living things grow, breathe, need food, reproduce, respond to their surroundings. These characteristics are what make something alive. When you see something, look for these signs. Understanding non living things. Non living things do not do any of the thing living creatures do. They don't need food or water. They don't breathe. They don't grow. They don't move on their own. Some living things are natural, like rock and water. Others are man made, like car, books, toys, and houses. For living things, find living and non living things. Now it's your turn to explore, go outside, or even look around your classroom or home. Try to identify three living things, three non living things. This activity helps us understand how the world around us works. The more you observe, the easier it becomes to tell the differences between living things and non living things.